Welcome back, Mathmaniacs. We are so excited to introduce you to two wonderful people that have been a huge part of my career since 23 years. I fumbled upon them or found them through a mentor, and these are Boxcars and One-Eyed Jack. So this is Jane and John.
Hi.
I've used all of their games in my classroom through dice and cards, and we are so very fortunate to have them here today with us to show us some of their new games.
Let's get started.
All right. Welcome to Roll On Place Value. This is one of our favorite Boxcars games, and the kids absolutely love this game. We're going to be practicing place value to the thousands, expanding numbers afterwards, and there's a lot of probability and chance, which makes it one of our favorites. So I'm playing against white, which is John this morning. And I'm blue, and the goal of the game, greatest number wins to the thousands. So to start the game, I'm going to shake, catch, have a peek, and I've got 4, and I can put it in my thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. But I know I want the greatest, and it's early in the game, so I'm going to slot it in the 400s. My number so far is 400. John's turn.
Roll it, trap it, take a peek. I've got a 5.
So he's got some picking to do.
I do. I feel pretty lucky because you still have 3 chances. I'm also going to put it in the hundreds for 500.
Shake, catch, a 2.
I might regret that.
I'm going to put it in the ones. My number so far, 402.
Shake, trap, take a peek. Oh boy.
It's a 1.
It's a 1. I'm going to put it in the ones place for 1. My number is 501.
Shake, catch, a 5. And it's later in the game, so the thinking here is the probability and the problem solving. If he rolls a 6 or a 5, he's got me, but I'm going to stick it in my thousands for 5,000. My number so far, 5,402. Notice I didn't say and's decimal, so we want the kids practicing how to read these numbers properly. Shake, catch, come on, Johnny, let's see.
What do you hope I got?
A 4.
I hope I got a 5 just to hurt you.
Oh! 6! I have 5.
I've got a 6. Too bad, so sad.
Yeah.
I'm putting it, aren't I lucky?
Yes.
I've got a 6. It's in the thousands place for 6,000. My number is 6,501.
And I'm a good partner. I'm going to play out. There's my 6.
Oh, wow.
But I can't change the position, so it's got to go in the 10s. 6 tens equals 60. My number is 5,462.
And my final number is a 2. I'm going to place it in the tens place for 20. I have 6,000. I'm chucking my number to make it easier. 6,521. And
so,
I've beaten Jane by about 1,000.
Yeah, darn it. I'm just going to
still pretty close.
I'm just going to move John's dice down here. One of the things you can do with the PDF game board that we've put in is to teach kids expanded notation after every round. All right, so let's look at how we would help students with expanded notation. So there's my number, 5,462. And what I'm going to have the students do is bring these dice down diagonally. We call this exploding or expanded notation. And now I've got this beautiful representation of this expanded number. So 5,000 has 3 zeros in it. And I'd record it like this, 5,000. There's my 400s, 2 zeros, plus 60 has that 1 0, and there is 2. So this number, 5,462, is 5,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 2. That's the expanded recording of that number. The other thing I love about this game is when kids see groups of place values. So 5 groups of 1,000 are represented here in that place value, 4 groups of 100, 400, 6 groups of 10 for 60, and we have 2 singles for 5,462. Groups of, numeric, expanded. This is another way we can record this expanded notation. So there's 5,000, there's my 3 zeros for representing the thousands, plus 400, plus 60, plus 2, 5,462. We found touching either the grid with fingers will give those zeros in a real powerful way, and certainly with our tray. Now your PDF will make them go to the hundred thousands We would be playing with 6 dice. We could go down to the 100 10s and 1s for the little guys, and even the 10s and 1s for your K1s. So it's a really easy to differentiate game. And like you saw, John and I really got that probability piece in it that really engages our students. That's Roll On Place Value. Have fun.